Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this how-to PC video, we're going to talk about how to change the way that you view your documents in File Explorer. Some are easier than others, some show the icons, and some show a little bit more details about the files and folders. So we're going to go ahead and go to File Explorer, which is your little manila folder down here at the bottom. We're going to open it up, and I'm going to go ahead and full screen it. I'm going to go into my Documents folder. And here in the Documents folder, you can see that this is more of an icons view. You can see that, this is a folder and has some documents in it. These are photo file types, and you can see that, but it doesn't really tell you a whole lot of description about it unless if you hover over it. You can change that. Let's go ahead and go to the View tab up here at the top. First off, you can just make the icons larger. If you needed to see them larger, you can just select this, and now the icons are just easier to view. They're just bigger. So now you can change them to a little bit smaller icons, really small icons, but the more popular ones would probably be the large icons or this details. I tend to use this details quite a bit because it tells you a little bit more information about what these are. However, it doesn't show you what's inside of the folders anymore. So that's how you change your documents view, and it can be very helpful in navigating and organizing your documents. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.